Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most common words in daily life. Yesterday,
Včera,
today,
dnes,
tomorrow,
zítra,
now,
teď,
home,
domov,
work,
práce,
friend,
kamarád,
family,
rodina,
here,
tady,
there,
tam,
this,
to,
that,
tamto,
day,
den,
people,
lidé,
and,
a,
but,
ale,
because,
protože,
to do,
dělat,
to go,
jít,
to be,
být,
to have,
mít,
to want,
chtít,
to see,
vidět,
to come,
přijít,
to say.
říct.
Quiz time.
Přijít. Přijít. Tam. Tam.
The answer is
Teď. Teď. Domov. Domov.
the correct answer is
Jít. Jít. Kamarád. Kamarád.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.